When your project demands strength, experience matters. Welcome to Sanghvi Ispat Industries, your premier partner for PEB and roofing solutions. With over 2 decades of excellence in structural steel, we are a leading manufacturer supplying high-quality, durable components across India, from solar mounting structures and heavy-duty C and Z Purlins to high-performance GI decking and silo tank sheets for the Jeevan mission. Our engineering is built to last. Whether it's tile, profile sheets for aesthetics, or turbo ventilators for efficiency, we deliver quality straight from our Indore facility to your site, nationwide. Building the future requires a foundation of strength. At Sanghvi Ispat Industries, we specialize in the manufacturing of high-quality pre-engineered building, PEB, components designed for durability, scalability, and rapid assembly. From industrial warehouses to complex commercial structures, our state-of-the-art manufacturing process ensures every component meets international standards for safety and structural integrity. We offer customized PEB design and fabrication, high-tensile strength steel components, cost-effective and sustainable building solutions, timely delivery for projects of any scale, build with